How to upload document on Lawcus. Once on Lawcus, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option, and from there you're going to select Matters. After selecting Matters, you're going to select the case that you would like to upload the document to. So for example, let's say the document that we are going to be uploading is related to the case of Omar test. We're just going to be selecting that individual. Then from the navigation bar, you're going to see the option Files. You're going to select Files. Then in the top left hand corner, you're going to tap on New. And you can select File Upload, or if it is a folder, you could select Folder Upload. Once you have done that, from there you can select the file that you like to add. And you can see right there it is being uploaded. And you can see that it has been added. And that's how you'll be able to add a file or documents to your Lawcus dashboard. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.